The three best ASX lithium miners are up 230% for the year, but they've been left behind this month as other ASX lithium miners have come to the front with 10 and 20% gains over the month. This is all while Lithium Carbonate has flatlined throughout March. We're looking at the top 6 lithium miners on the ASX and the news behind the companies. This is Final Market Points, where we connect leading market themes and the best performing companies for better trading. Like the video to support the channel and subscribe for updates. You can see on the 1 year chart here that the lithium carbonate price has flatlined, but if we take a look back over the 5 year, we can still see that the current prices are about half of what lithium carbonate prices were in 2018. That was then met by the supply side response and saw those prices fall to their lows that we did see throughout last year. Having a look at the top 6 lithium miners on the ASX this month, we can see that Ardiden is in its 11.7%, ADV is that ticker. Nova Minerals NVA 12.9%, AVZ Minerals, a very popular trading company, 13.3% with a ticker of AVZ. European Metal Holdings EMH is up just shy of 16% over the month. Number 2, we see Galan Lithium, that's 18.9%, GLN is their ticker. The news from Galan Lithium this month is focused on the Hombre Muro West HMW project. Specifically, the lithium chloride concentrate has increased by about 25%. Coming in at 4.8% in the original study, it's now been increased to 6%. This high-grade result is comparable to SQM's and other high concentrate lithium chloride projects in a basin of Chile in South America. Furthermore, the concentrate level is equivalent to more than double the average concentrate of Australian lithium spodumene producers. Benefit for Galan is that they have the flexibility to place its lithium for downstream products anywhere in the world without the burden of high logistics cost, high CO2 footprint and or waste management, making it a slightly greener solution, albeit all coming out of the ground. Galan is evaluating the commercial potential in the global markets for this high-grade lithium concentrate and feed for lithium battery products. The test results also showed very low levels of contaminants. Galan now forecasts the initial HMW brine evaporation pilot works to commence in the second quarter of 2021. Moving over to Sayona Mining, SYA is the ticker. They're the top performer for the month, coming in at 23%. The news they've had this month is critical around their placement. $20.4 million fully underwritten renounceable rights issue, and this is for the Quebec lithium expansion to accelerate that project. The specifics are 1 for 6 renounceable rights issue to raise up to that $20.4 million. This is coming in at 3.2 cents per share, with the rights to start trading on the 6th of April 2021. As the offer is fully underwritten, it connects with a 10.5% discount to the 30-day VWAP, volume weighted average price of 3.6 cents. That's an 18% discount to the last sale of 3.9 cents before going to trading halt to make this announcement. Critically, their major shareholder, Piedmont Lithium, another company we have looked at many times before on this program, PLL is their ticker, is taking up the full entitlement offer. The funds are going to be used to support the company's bid for North American lithium and also progress their key projects in Quebec and Canada. This is to meet the rising demand in the North American market for battery and electric vehicle makers that we have looked at a few times before in Final Market Points. You can click on the links in screen and the description to see those updates and insights. Moving over to have a look at the top performers over the last 12 months in the lithium space, we see that these top 6 companies fall behind the best 3 for the year. Out of the top performers for this month, we see that 6th place goes to AVZ Minerals, AVZ, that ticker 134% over the year. Galan going in at 138% over the 12 months. Sayona Mining, SYA 158%. Ardiden ADZ 179%. Nova Minerals NVA 181%. European Metals Holdings EMH 196%. These performances fall in behind the top 3 that we've seen in the ASX and consistently followed, being Lake Resources LKE. They're up 230% for the year. Coming in front of them is Piedmont Lithium PLL is that ticker, 239%, which is just beaten Hawkstone Mining HWK 237% for the year.